Rodriguez of Marshall Motors, Nissan here in Salina. And I wanted to do a quick video for you on a FYI. If you have a push button start vehicle, specifically Nissan, I can't speak about other makes, but Nissans, if you have one of these key fobs, okay, basically it's a push button start key fob. If your battery ever runs out in this, you're still able to start your car. And so today I want to show you that. So in case an emergency where your battery fob dies, it'll tell your vehicle won't start, you know what to do and get to the nearest location so that you can buy a battery to put in your key fob. So first things first, let me remove the battery out of this so I can show you that you'll still be able to start the car. There's two little notches in here on the fob. You just grab a flat head, just go in there and you're just gonna pry it open basically. I'm doing it in layers because I don't want to break the fob. All right, so there goes your battery. So you have two different parts there. And all you're going to do is, and what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put this back together. There's the battery there. There's the fob. I'm going to put this back together. And we're going to run outside to the vehicle. And what we're starting today is a 2019 Nissan Altima. So, right now the vehicle is completely shut off. Your fob is not working. The battery is dead. In this case, I have it taken out. And you can't unlock your door because your fob is dead. This is where the key will come into play. You'll just put it in, unlock it, okay? Now, you unlock your door, you get in the vehicle, and you'll have your push button start on the 19 Altima. It'll be right here by your shifter. It doesn't matter where the button is. So you're gonna grab the Nissan logo, okay? Make sure the fob is shut. The Nissan logo up here. You're gonna push the button with that logo and hold the brake down. And as you can see, the vehicle is started. It's ready to go. You'll be able to get to your nearest location so that you can swap your battery out, and that's it. So right now, if you read on here on the dash, it says no key detected. All right, so the reason it's saying that's because it doesn't have a battery in here. So I wanted to just show you, my clients and my future clients, that if something like that happens, that your battery dies in these fobs, you can still start your car. And the battery that you can put it in it, I'll tell you what it is. Come on in. Beautiful stormy day in Salina, Kansas. This battery right here, it looks like it's a CR 2032H, which is right here. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. There you go. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the battery back in the fob and everything should be good to go. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have need some information on other things with Nissan, please comment down below, subscribe, share this video, and I'm glad that I'm here, that I can help. So thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Stay safe, and God bless.